Hello, everybody. How are you all doing? I hope you had a nice weekend. Okay, so I'm going to share what I got. Some new plants, Valentine's. Well, my sons know that I love plants, so they got me more plants. I got another anthurium, guys, and yes, I said I wasn't going to buy and I didn't, but my son got me one of this and he told me don't give up. So I'm like, okay, honey, I will try. So he got me an anthurium. It's looking so pretty and gorgeous. Any of you have any tips? Please share your tips on growing the anthurium. Like I've tried many ways. I've tried to change the soil and everything. A friend I met on the marketplace in Facebook, she told me that she uses regular pot and soil in her plant when she shared to me was nice. So I don't know, maybe it's just me. And I have here a carnation. I think it's carnations. Well, no tag, but it's like the family of the carnations and it smells so nice, guys. It is smelling very nice. I love the scent and the flower is very pretty as well. And I want to thank my son, both my sons, for getting me. If you hear it barking, that's my dog seeing me through the window. Oh my goodness. So I want to thank my sons for getting me these plants. They are beautiful and they are gorgeous. And I got this orchid as well from my husband. It's so gorgeous. I love white. In the picture, it doesn't show like the actual color. It shows red, but it's actually purple inside of the flower. I don't know why. That one kind of looks purple, but it's actually purple inside the flower. But on this video it shows red. And yes, he got me this and plus another plant, a marble queen, if I'm not mistaken. This is a marble queen. Yes, they all know I love plants, so hey, let them come, let them bring it on. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Okay, this one he got from a big store. Yes, from a regular, those expensive supermarkets. He always takes me with him and he's like, choose any and whatever you like. So I'm like, no, it's too expensive. Let's go to the other place. He's like, no, just choose. I'm like, okay, fine. Me trying to, save. But anyways, if he insists, why not? So I got this beautiful orchid and I got the marble queen. I just wanted to share with you my new plants. Like I said, I'm still collecting on different Hoyas, the ones that do survive though. Anyways, my friends, it's a short video. I just wanted to share with you. As if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.